Hello guys, welcome back to F13 Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the Miele Dishwasher F13 error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the F13 error code signals a water intake issue in the dishwasher, causing program interruptions and activation on the drain pump. So this fault occurs when the dishwasher fails to detect expected number of pulses within a specified time frame, typically up to 4 minutes, depending on the program being run. Now, in scenarios where the chosen program initiates with a water softener flushing cycle, the fault code check is conducted earlier in the process. If a fault is detected, the program is halted approximately 30 seconds after initiation and the error code is displayed. To solve this issue and clear the F13 error code, a technician is needed to perform thorough inspection of several components, including the water inlet valve, flow meter, WPS valve, and water flow pressure. This comprehensive assessment helps identify any underlying issues contributing to the water intake fault, enabling appropriate repairs to restore the dishwasher's functionality. Now, in this case, it is recommended that you call in a professional to solve this issue, because this might affect a lot of issues or a lot of work or any processes within your dishwasher. Now, again, it is recommended that you call a professional for this one, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.